Now I introduce our this type transponder. You check this button for open menu, this button for close menu. This USB port is with mobile power charging function, but this without stop function. I will show it work with our barrier gates. What happens? First, when this transponder power on, the barrier gate will enter out detection mode. So barrier arm at start will auto open, and then it will back to normal working mode. You checking power on, our barrier up, out open, right? Then we use close button, menu close. Our barrier gates will close. Okay, menu open. Okay, we try again. First, close. Barrier close. Open, open. Menu open. You check. Barrier open. So this is for the another type USB transponder. Okay.